I want to show you the right way to get views on YouTube today. If you've ever spent hours making content you really believe in only to post it and get little to no views, you are not the only one. In fact, studies have shown that about 87% of all the videos uploaded on YouTube get less than 1,000 views. So it's not because your content is bad or you're not posting consistently enough or even that the algorithm hates you. It's just the way the YouTube algorithm works. But here is the amazing thing. In the last 1 year, my channel has gotten over 1.8 million views and I've posted only 31 videos. Now, each of these videos have gotten an average of 60,000 views and more than half of them have gone viral. So the question is, how did I do it? Am I smarter than most YouTubers? Do I post more consistently than you, or do I make better videos than you? My answer to this is honestly no. The truth is, the only thing that's making me different from most YouTubers is that I don't make and post videos like they do. Every time I make a video, I use a two-step process. You see, most of us were never taught the right way to make viral YouTube videos. We're told to find our niche, come up with some really interesting content ideas and keep posting consistently in order for us to get views. But the truth is, this advice really doesn't help us get more views, because no matter how consistently you post, if you're posting the wrong things, then nobody is still going to watch your video. It's like trying to fill a leaky bucket with water. Yes, you're working hard, but then you don't see any good results for it. People still skip your videos like ad without even thinking about it. The truth is, if you don't know how to make videos the right way, then you're not going to get the kind of views you want. But the good news is you can beat the algorithm. You don't need to post more frequently, you don't need to get better gears or camera, and today you're going to learn the 2 easy steps that every big YouTuber uses to get more views on their videos. They are simple, useful, and anyone can use them. Now, if you like videos like these, make sure you click the link in my description and join my free community for more value. That being said, let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do to get more views on YouTube is called search term analysis. Now, here is the thing. Most YouTube creators try to get more views on their videos by posting consistently or using posting hacks. However, these hacks are not the most effective ways to increase your views. Instead, you get real views on your videos by doing the boring stuff, like spending a lot of time in your YouTube analytics and researching your search terms. Just think of it like going fishing. You don't just throw your line into the water and hope for a bite. If you want to be successful, you need to know exactly where the fishes are and what kind of baits they even like. When you just come up with your content ideas, then you make your videos, then you edit it, you write your title, you create a thumbnail, you post it, then you wait for people to watch it. That's like going fishing with blindfolds on. You might get lucky and catch something sometimes, but most of the times you won't. So here's what you need to do in order to get views the right way. First, go to studio.youtube.com, then click on the analytics button, then click on content, scroll all the way down, and then click on YouTube search. Then finally, click on the see more button. Next, change the time range from the default 28 days to 365 days, which is 1 year. Once you do that, you'll be able to see all the search terms people are using to find your videos. Basically, when someone searches for something on YouTube and your video comes up and then they click on it, YouTube keeps track of those search terms right here. So this shows you how many people found your video on YouTube by typing something into the YouTube search bar. Because of this, you want to take note of the top 5 search terms that are bringing people to your channel or your video. Also pay attention to how many views each of the search terms have gotten you, because the more views a search term gets, the easier it will be for you to rank for that particular search term. So the goal here is to find out what kind of topics or content will get you more views. As you can see from this research, some topics or ideas will never get you lots of views no matter how much you post about them, while others will. And the truth is, if you don't know the exact search terms that can drive traffic to your videos, you'll keep creating content that nobody really wants to watch, and you'll end up blaming the algorithm, your gears, and everything else for why your videos are not getting views. That's why it's so important for you to find out the search term, the right ones that will get you lots of views even before you start making or creating your videos. Now, once you've identified the top search terms, the second step is grouping them into content pillars. One of the biggest mistakes creators make is creating videos without having content pillars. Now, if you've ever made a video that got way more views than you usually do, but then struggle to get views in your next 10 to 20 videos, this is probably why. As I said before, some topics get way more views than others. So if you don't know which topics in your niche will get you the most views, you would actually create a viral video by accident, but keep making videos on topics that get really low views without even realizing it. But having a content pillar will definitely keep you from falling into this trap. So what you want to do to build your content pillars is to pick the top 5 search terms that we discovered in step 1 and turn them into a series of videos that you consistently come back to on repeat. For example, in my case, most of my top search term fell under video editing. So that became my first content pillar. Then I found another category around AI content creation tools. So that became my second content pillar. And then I discovered another one around how to make high quality content, which became my third content pillar. Now, I know this process may seem very boring, but trust me, this is the very first step to actually making viral videos. While other creators are making random low view videos no one asked for, you can actually make your audience find your videos on their own by finding the right search term that's bringing them to your channel and then turning them into a series of videos where you give them new ways to solve the same problems that they have. Now, you can follow these easy data-backed steps to get more views on YouTube. You don't have to change everything today, but you can at least start with one of the steps we talked about today. So try it right now, and you might be surprised at how easy it is for you to now get views on YouTube. Don't forget, even the small steps can lead to big changes. The top 1% of YouTubers aren't smarter than you. They are just using different methods to make videos, and now it's your turn to do the same. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the link in my description and join my free community for more value like this, and tell me in the comments section which of these steps you're going to implement today. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.